water contamination also clear again.
No, as you know, Prabhu Violeta, there has been a problem of water contamination. Basically, it is a serious case of STP plant not working, not functional, and over a period of time, the problem only deteriorated. Since the problem deteriorated, personally, I think that the government departments had to intervene, and sometimes it is not always the case that all the government departments they act in time. So that's why I said the best course would be for me to have a meeting with all the departments, with the residents as well, and all of them have been very active to see that the problem is resolved. Perhaps there was inertia initially on part of some people, whether it is the builder or the concerned agencies. Now all have agreed to work together. The deadline being set is that within 15 days most of the problems will be resolved and they will have clean drinking water. There are some other smaller issues which they have raised, which I will follow up personally and get them resolved even faster than they think. Main important thing is sewage today has become managing sewage has become a very big problem in entire Goa. If you look at the recent reports of NIO, they are very shocking that even the sea water is not sometimes safe to have a bath. Means we have reached that level where public just wants to dump the sewage along with the drainages meant for bathing water or for that drainage is meant for rainwater drainages. They just dump the sewage. This thing has to stop. We will work this out on a larger scale later on. But right now we are here solving the problem of Prabhu Violeta. I will personally monitor it and see that in the next 15 days their problem attains total closure, so that they will not have the fear of having a bath or drinking the water or using the potable water.